How to fix select the driver to be installed error during Windows installation. Hello guys, this is Sarah from Create Login and Delete. Let's get started. So the first method is to change a USB port, as it might be a faulty one and connection might be unstable due to it. Next method is to change file system format. The format might not be supported. So format your USB drive to FAT32 and then create a bootable USB using the media creation tool. So the next method is to boot into your BIOS and change the storage configuration from Serial Advanced Technology Attachment to Integrated Drive Electronics, and then try installing the Windows. Missing files in the ISO or corrupted files may also result in this issue. So you have to re-download the ISO from Microsoft and create a bootable disk or USB with that file and try reinstalling Windows. So this is how to fix select the driver to be installed error during Windows installation. Thanks for watching till the end, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.